Unleash the power of wind.
This video will examine the specifications of 4 wind turbines for boats. Make sure to watch until the end because I will show you a comparison table that displays all 4 turbine specifications in a single table. Small wind turbines designed for marine applications have become increasingly popular, offering sailors and boaters a sustainable and reliable source of energy. In this video, we will explore the differences in 4 leading small wind turbines in the market: Primus Wind Power AirX Marine Turbine, Automaxx Marine 400 Superwind SWA350, and Rutland 1200. Each turbine has unique features catering to the specific needs of marine environments, and we aim to provide the specifications of these wind turbines for boats. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, we discuss everything related to renewable energy. If this sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing. Also, please don't forget to click on the like button at the end if you find the video useful. Clicking on the like button will help YouTube show this video to more people who need it.
See, this tip is flat.
Yeah.
So all these little features, it's super smooth. All these little features make for a very, very quiet blade set. So less than 40 decibels.
Gotcha.
The Primus Wind Power AirX Marine Turbine is a top contender known for its efficiency and reliability. With voltage options ranging from 12 EV to 40 AT, this turbine is versatile and suitable for various marine setups. The rotor diameter of 1.17 meters and 3 carbon fiber blades contribute to its efficiency, generating 400 of power at a cut-in wind speed of 7 mh/13 m. It's designed for silent operation with X carbon fiber blades, making it an excellent choice for sailors looking to harness wind energy without noise disturbances. The turbine is equipped with advanced microprocessor technology for superior performance, ensuring consistent energy production even in challenging weather conditions.
At Automaxx, we are deeply committed to the environment and prioritize sustainable practices in all aspects of our operations. Our dedication to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change motivates us to develop renewable energy solutions, including wind turbines and hybrid power systems.
The Automax Marin 400 wind turbine generator kit stands out for its lightweight, durable design tailored for marine excellence. With a voltage option of 12 EV, it's optimized for marine, home, farm, and off-grid use, generating 400 mile power at a cut-in wind speed of 6.7 mph/3 m. This turbine is efficient even at low winds. The inclusion of an MPT controller maximizes battery charging efficiency, providing worry-free operation. Notably, the turbine is marine approved, featuring additional waterproofing coatings and a strengthened UV coating for enhanced protection. With a weight of less than 22 lbs, it's easy to install, making it an attractive option for sailors seeking a reliable and eco-friendly power source. For this one, if you use my coupon code RENEWEDENERGY15, you will get 15% off any of your purchases from Automaxx. The link to Automaxx is in the description box below. For transparency's sake, it's my referral link, but you will not pay anything extra by using my link. In fact, you get it cheaper by using my link. The Superwind SWA350 350 series is engineered to set a new standard for micro wind technology. Developed by experienced energy engineers and mariners, these turbines offer robust, quiet, and powerful performance. With a rotor diameter of 1.22 meters and 3 carbon fiber reinforced plastic composite blades, the SW350 generates 350 doo of power at a nominal wind speed of 25 knots, 12.5 watt sets. The SW353 apart is its design for extreme climates and highly turbulent areas. The fully synchronized rotor hub, hand-rolled rotor blade, triple bearings, and inox mast mounting socket make it resilient in challenging conditions. The C353 is a robust choice for critical missions where turbine recovery is challenging.
Malik Engineering, we have been manufacturing wind turbines since 1979. We've manufactured over 100,000 wind turbines, which we've exported all around the world. We manufacture 6 different models, which come from our factory here in Corby. We're a family business, 25 employees, and we are probably one of the oldest renewable energy companies in the UK.
The Rutland 1200 wind turbine hybrid PMTT Charge controller is tailored for users seeking higher generating capacity on board yachts and in off-grid locations. With voltage options of 12V and 24V, the Rutland 1200 elegantly combines high-tech features focused on quiet operation, low wind speed performance, and high power delivery up to 500 ME. The trinamic profile blades provide low wind speed startup coupled with high wind speed power performance. The three-phase AC power delivery minimizes voltage drop on long cable runs, enhancing efficiency. The hybrid MPT controller allows seamless integration with up to 20 of solar panels, reducing installation costs. Rutland's emphasis on simplicity and user-friendliness, such as the positive one-way only blade fit, has made it a favorite among tens of thousands of users worldwide.
And then we move on to the 1200, which is our new turbine, which is supplied with the controller. That will put 80 to 100 120 ampere hours a day back into your battery. So that's ideal for a boat which has quite a high energy usage. All of our turbines can be supplied with different controllers, different regulators depending on how you want to charge your batteries. The 1200 is supplied with the controller. What the controller does basically is once your battery starts to reach fully charged, it will start to slow the wind turbine down. It physically stops them spinning to prevent your batteries from overcharging and damaging your batteries.
Choosing the right small wind turbine for your marine needs depends on various factors such as power requirements, environmental conditions, and budget constraints. The Primus AirX Marine, Automax Marine 400, Superwind SW350, the Turbine D3, and Rutland 1200 each offer unique features catering to different preferences and applications. Consider your specific requirements and priorities to make an informed decision that aligns with your marine energy goals.